Reading Makula, yo.
There's also a special announcement that if you are here and you are married, especially to the women, in this particular occasion or in this event, we don't see you as a married woman. You answer your name. Dr. Oladujoye. Please, someone to write his name down. So, turn to your right, turn to your left, and call that person. Look at that person's eye. And call that bad nickname. That name that when you call him those days, the guy will just fight you. And report you to Mr. Elade or... Even the old people of those days, their head is not as big as my own. Somebody will see me, he will say, this is head of state. I have some people in this side. This side, please, clap for yourself. Please clap for yourself. Clap for 94. Do you know why you are clapping for yourself? Because I don't know where they brought you all from. Everybody with little madness. Thank you. I said, see, according to United Nations, one of the items of my SDG is gender equality. But one thing I'm going to tell you here is that if you're performing caucus, because I can perceive caucus arrangement here. Petra, those who make it noise, they won't eat anything here today. Ozone is serious. And for Mary, what are you saying? Yeah. They must buy only. I won't put JITA because they are waiting for me to be fined. I won't allow them to find me here today. But when you take JITA only, I'm telling you. In fact, if you are using some network and you listen to them, I'm telling you. So on a more serious note, we are going to, I'm not saying I'm going to scatter you, but I'm going to take you from where you are to another place. So you are forming caucus here. So you can keep quiet because I want to move you. I know the people I'm going to move now. I've marked you already. Please, can we give a round of applause to my chairman? My chairman. The Oloro Kobambam. Please, you can do better for my chairman now. You declare for my chairman and you are sitting down. If my chairman should ask you to go out, I want to make Three goes for my chairman. Three, you see, in Igbo land, they say wham, wham, wham. So when I say Gbekwenu for my chairman, you say wham, wham 3 times. 3 wham for my chairman. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Okay. Oh, please pardon me. See, let me remove my. You see, let me remove this thing. You know, when we were young, we normally say something. We say, men, we say, no woman will control me. Oh. No woman will control me. Oh. I'll forget that thing. That one, our story. You see, working with my chairman is not easy. I'm telling you, it will give you some assignments and you'll be thinking. And we are very close. At times, some calls will come to him And he will be looking at it, what is happening? But when you say, ozone, I'm about going, I say, okay. But you look at it that on getting home, the thing is still with him. There's someone that is what? Taking charge of one. The other room, one. Jerusalem, one. Please, let's celebrate her. Let's celebrate her. Please, help me to give her 7 continuous one. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. A round of applause for her. Thank you for taking care of my shaman. You know, those days, our shaman used to be tall. And people like Ashake used to be short. Is Ashake here? No, he's on his way. I trust him will be here. So, can you imagine that some people that used to be big, they are now looking like a dwarf? Have you noticed that? Huh? Ironically. You know, when you look at the journey, it's something else. But we thank God. In fact, give 3 bows to yourself. Hello? Doctor, see, Dr. Ladujoye. Doctor, please stand up, stand up. I'm holding them. Stand up. Stand up. Stand. On the authority, at the instance of my shaman, I say stand up. Should we pardon him? Please, give him half one. When you want to give half one, you say, Please be seated. You see, it's wonderful to be here today. And I can tell you that if a lady is sitting beside a lady, if a lady is sitting beside a lady, and men sitting on same table, please, before I move you, move yourself. Before I move you, move yourself. If you don't want to hear that dirty nickname, move yourself. Huh? If you don't want to, you know, I have everything. You know, this is my head. You can see it's big. So, you can see. And one of my friends was looking at me. He said, ozone, when has this thing been like this? I said, I used to barb punk. Yes, I have pictures now. And I follow my Bobby. I show Bobby. But now we cannot do anything but Sakura. You can see that. So please move yourself. Lady, this table I'm going to scatter you. Yes. I like your video. Please sit down there. You cannot form me with the mafia. Odeshi, no data. Odeshi, no data. Madam Ilukuni. Please sit down there. Please come out. Hello? This is not national executive. Please come and sit down here. Madam, you go to that side. You say Mr. Ozone, with due respect. Good. Say it again. For the last, if you're not saying it again, so sit down. Mr. Adele is coming. Yes. No, are you panicking? I'll be seeing you use your panic. It will not work. Let Adele come. That table. Okay. 2 software. And one hardware. Only one hardware there. Huh? Which hardware are you defending? Which hardware? For you to say maybe you should give that to them, come and sit down here. Come and sit down here. No, come and sit down here. No, I don't allow Jita Oni to ban the t-shirt. Mr. Gogo, please come here, Mr. Gogo. Come and sit down beside Yinka Fambodo. Madam Botola, please on your feet. Please go to that corner. No software and hardware. Please, you are saying no. Kò ní bí jẹ́ kò ní jẹ́ kò ní wo oúnjẹ àdúgbò báyìí lórí ìsìn báyìí. No, kìí o ṣiṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o fẹ́ fẹ́ Mr. Ogunmugo, where is he? Please, I don't know it. Please, Madam Botola. Madam Teni Botola, please stand up. I'm giving on behalf of the whole class cumulative age of 1,000 years. Stand up. I call you, go and sit down there. That last one. Go and sit down there. Do you know one thing? There's no family meeting here. Right? There's no family meeting here. So, Toyi, wọlé kọ́lé. Torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń separate. Kí ló sọ? Máyọ̀ kó dùn mí, olúwo ló máa jẹ́. No be for my mouth o. Lady Bobby. So there's no family meeting here. Toyi Ajetomobi. Please. Ibo, come and sit down. Ma bọ̀ ní kọ́nà yìí kò lọ sí fún yẹn. Now, I discovered some people, they want to be speaking their language. They are from the same village. So, no, before God joined them together, we've been existent, right? So that one will not come in there. Because the wife is also Oje Baba on this special occasion. So we can't allow you to be speaking no more language here. So, Bonte,